Take a ride in the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: LED headlights, traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, Bose sound system, dual airbags, air conditioning, panoramic moonroof, power steering, alloy wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.